previous video, I did talk about buckwheat water promoting faster hair growth. I didn't mention that buckwheat water is also going to dry out your hair. So this time around, I brought the part 2 of this video, how I'm going to use buckwheat water mixed with other ingredients to stop my hair from drying out and also grow my natural hair at the same time. All right, beautiful, let's dive right into the video. My first and second ingredients is buckwheat and rice. Mix the both of them together and this is what I got. My third ingredients is fenugreek seeds. So I usually like to soak the fenugreek seeds before using it, but I decided to mix it with the buckwheat and rice together. Wash everything first about 2 different times before adding in 1 cup of water. So I'm gonna add in the fourth product, which is fresh aloe vera gel. If you want to know how I remove the yellow slime from my fresh aloe vera gel, the link gonna be in the description of this video. Then I did add in fresh hibiscus leaf, and guys, I am going to boil these ingredients for 5 minutes, let it cook, and after that I am going to screen it and let it cool down. Then I will transfer it into my spray bottle. All right, beautiful, let me tell you the benefit for using these ingredients. The first ingredients is the buckwheat. Buckwheat is high in fiber and low in calories. The next one is rice. We all know about rice. Rice water this, rice water that. Rice water promote faster hair growth. Buckwheat comes first, but rice water is all-time favorite. All right, the third one is fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds promote hair growth and it is loaded with protein. So let's talk about the fourth one, which is aloe vera gel. You guys know I am the aloe queen. I love aloe vera gel. So I put aloe vera gel in almost all of my hair growth treatment. Aloe vera gel is really good for moisture. Guys, give aloe gel a chance. Your hair will thank you. It's gonna say, oh my, time is changing. Guys, because in the past, my hair was like dry, always dry. Aloe vera gel saved my hair so much that I always end up suffering from protein overload because I end up using so much aloe vera gel. It's really good for moisture. It promotes hair growth. And guys, let's not forget about hibiscus leaf. Hibiscus leaf is similar to aloe vera gel. The reason why I said that because aloe vera gel is slimy and hibiscus leaf is slimy when you blend it. And where there is sliminess in the herbs or a product, that is a really good thing for your hair because our natural hair really work good when it comes to slip. So slip and slime, the both of them go hand in hand. After I was done making my DIY hair growth treatment, I decided to use some of this Jose Morin moisturizing oil. Then I went in with this DIY miracle hair growth treatment.